G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new here and you're wondering what I talk about tech, I do tutorials, reviews, unboxings, streaming, all things gaming and technology really. And today we're going to be talking about a pair of headphones that Logitech has sent over for me to check out. It's the Logitech G Pro gaming headset made for gamers. I've heard really good things about this headset. I'm really keen to check it out. I've heard good things about the headset itself and also the microphone. So today we're going to be going through and unboxing this and then testing it out, and I'm going to share all of that with you guys today. So if you like this video, then chuck it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike and maybe tell me why. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the other videos that I do this year. And you can always reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram as well. So let's get stuck into this unboxing. Let's begin. Alright, so like I said, Logitech has sent me over the Logitech G Pro gaming headset for me to check out. Currently, just as a heads up, I'm using the GameDS Hebe M1 gaming headset. I've been using that for a while. I'll leave a link to that video up in the corner. But I have been looking for an upgrade, so that's why I've asked Logitech to send these over for me to check out. Some of the features that I do really like about this headset is that it's actually quite lightweight. It's only about 250 grams. The microphone is detachable and it's meant to be a professional grade microphone. So if you don't already have a microphone, maybe this will be perfect for you. So it's got a cardioid pickup pattern and also it's got a pop filter on there as well. So hopefully you won't get too much background noise. The drivers are made of, I think it's called neodymium magnets. They're meant to be just really top grade drivers up to 110 decibels with virtual surround sound. The cups are leatherette ear cups, but there is also a micro suede cover that you can put onto them, so you can have the choice of the leatherette finish or the micro suede finish depending on how you're feeling. But they also provide some noise isolation, so you get up to 16 decibels of noise cancelling or noise isolation through the headphones. So for around about $159, this is what they retail for from Logitech. You can pick them up slightly cheaper, but for that price, if you're getting a professional driver and professional microphone, I think that's a really, really good deal. The packaging itself is obviously aimed towards gamers. It's got this matte black with shiny text and logos all over. They mentioned that it's the Logitech G is the choice of pro gamers and esports leagues worldwide. So it's purely a gaming headset, but obviously you can use it for whatever you want. If you want to watch movies on it or just maybe talk to people over Skype, then you can do that with this headset as well. One other mention is that it isn't just a PC headset. You can use it on Xbox and PlayStation as well, as it just has a standard line in, not a USB connection, so you can just go into the headphone or microphone jack on your PC or console. So let's get into the unboxing and check out this headset and see what is inside. I've already read a lot on the website about these headphones and know what's in the packaging, but this is purely for you guys. So take out the headset, and straight away on top we've got the headset. Okay, so they're really light. That's probably the first thing I noticed, and they feel really premium. They've got like this soft touch plastic on the outside. You've got like this silver logo for the Logitech gaming logo that says the word Pro up here. The leatherette cups are nice and thick, but they're not massive. They swivel as well, which is nice. So if you just want to have one on or one off, or you want to take it off for a second without taking the whole headset off, that's kind of a nice feature. The cable isn't a fixed cable, so you can put the cable in or out just depending on how you feel. But overall, they're really nice. They've got like this Logitech logo at the top. The actual headset piece is got that leatherette finish as well, and it's got a bit of padding there. So far, they look a little bit large, but personally, I really like it. I think they're not too big and also not too small. So yeah, big fan. Let's pull out the plastic, and in the cardboard box here we've got what is in here? Probably all the cables and documentation. So we've got a braided Logitech cable. This is for your line in to separate the microphone headset and the microphone if you want to do that. It's also got I can see here a little volume dial, so for turning the volume up and down rather than using your keyboard. That's a nice feature. And then we've also got here the ear cups, the micro suede ear cups. So I'll definitely be probably using the micro suede. I feel like that's just a nice touch. You've also got in here some documentation on how to plug them in, and information about warranty and stuff like that. But there's no CDs, there's no software. It's just going to be straight plug and play. And if you're using a PC or a console, you'll be able to configure all of the recording and volume settings through your PC or console. So that's the unboxing of the headset. I've got to say, even though there isn't too much, it's actually a nice thing for once. It's not full of unnecessary things. It just gives you exactly what you need. So if we try these on as well, they actually also do extend. I shouldn't have mentioned that. They have stainless steel here, so they do extend, and you can actually set it in little intervals if you want to. So depending on what you find comfortable, you might want it more out than others. But if we just chuck these on, they actually have a seal right around, so actually I can already tell how much they're blocking out just the background noise. It's really like tight to the head, but doesn't feel like it's going to hurt you at all. It just feels like there's noise isolation without even doing anything. So that part that they talk about with the noise isolation or passive noise isolation, I totally understand that now. Once you put them on, you'll see what I mean. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Logitech G Pro headset. Now we're going to go to the computer room, set them up, plug them in, and I'll do some audio recording so you can understand and see how the microphone works. Actually, before I do that, I just remembered the microphone itself. I can't actually see it. You know what? It was in the box with the cables. So the microphone is just here. So this is the small little microphone that plugs into the side of the headset. So if we put that back on again, it's on the left hand side, and that just bends around, and that can just be wherever you want to put it. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And then if you don't want it, you just pull it out. So that's cool. So yeah, let me put everything back in the box. We'll go into the computer room, set it all up, and we'll see how the audio sounds. G'day guys, alrighty, so we're currently in the studio. As you can see, we're doing a bit of screen capture while we're recording this, so that way you can see truly that it is me talking into this microphone using Audacity to capture all the audio. And I wanted to talk to you about the microphone. I actually have been already playing around with the microphone a little bit, just so I can give you my thoughts and opinions on that. All the sound that you're currently hearing is coming from the Logitech G Pro microphone. And I've done a few little tweaks just to get it right personally for me, but you will need to play around with the settings, maybe depending on the size of the room that you're in, to get it right for you. So in the Windows sound settings on the recording side, we can see we've got the G Pro microphone here, and I've got my microphone set to about 80 and the microphone boost to about plus 20. Personally for me, that is what gives the best sound in the room that I'm in. I'm in a very, very small room. It's only about 1.8 meters wide. It's plaster all the way around. It's got plaster ceilings, plaster back and sides. So there's a lot of echo, a lot of sound bouncing around. But I think personally this microphone in this room is going to be great for Discord. It's going to be great for gaming, Skype or GoToMeetings, anything that you will be communicating with anybody. It's going to be an awesome microphone. If we go down on the product page, we can see here it talks about the fact that it's got the pro grade condenser microphone. So I really think that with the pop filter that they talk about and this microphone on this headset, it really is a great value for money for about $110 to about $150 Australian, depending on where you shop and where you buy it from. Definitely gets a recommendation from me. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and hope you guys have a great day. Cheers.